Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal on eBay. First, ensure your PayPal account is set up and verified. While eBay now manages most seller payments directly, buyers can often still choose PayPal at checkout for convenience and added security. This method allows you to complete transactions quickly, often with just a few clicks. It's an efficient way to manage your online shopping funds without exposing your bank details directly to every seller. Linking your PayPal account to your eBay profile makes transactions much smoother. Navigate to your eBay account settings and locate the Payments section. From there, you will find options to manage or link your PayPal account securely. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the two, usually requiring you to log into PayPal to authorize the link. Once connected, your PayPal option will appear readily during checkout, simplifying future purchases significantly. When you are ready to purchase an item, proceed to checkout on eBay. Look for the PayPal option among the available payment methods and select it. You will then be securely redirected to the PayPal website to finalize your payment. Here, you can choose which funding source you prefer, such as a linked bank account or a credit card associated with your PayPal account. Review your order details carefully before confirming the payment to complete your purchase. One major advantage of using PayPal for your eBay purchases is the robust buyer protection it offers. If an item you bought doesn't arrive, or if it's significantly different from the seller's description, PayPal's policy can help. You must report issues within a specified timeframe, usually 180 days from the purchase date, and follow their resolution process. This safeguard provides an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind with every transaction you make.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.